What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's topic is an important one. Do we really control our business? I honestly would say no, because at the end of the day, there are things we rely on that are out of our control. That is today's thrifting topic. I am at my OG Goodwill. When I first started selling on eBay and I sold everything like 50 years ago, I used to come out of here with carts full of stuff. Shoes, shirts, electronics. The VCRs were insane. This place sucks now, but I'm due for it. It's been about 2 months since I last been here. I don't know. It's just one of those things, right? Some stores are better than others. This one just... what you gonna do? But you gotta hold them accountable, right? You can't just let them go by the wayside. Maybe there's a new manager. Maybe they're getting a new supply. I always tell everybody, just because it sucks one time doesn't mean you never go there again. You hold that place accountable. Anyways, I'm shutting up. If you're interested in joining the group, $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal, weekly coaching calls, private Discord, all of that fun stuff. The sun is already going down. It's not even 4:30, so hopefully we can get in and out of here pretty quick. Let's go. We are out of that Goodwill, back at the storage unit. Their sign says they're open till 8. They're only open till 5. I got there at like 4:30. It sucked because they had decent, CDs and DVDs, but I didn't have time to scan everything. That was one of those few times where my knowledge really came in, and really not knowledge, is business sense. So when you only got 30 minutes, you got to pick and choose your battles wisely, right? Because you can't scan everything. It's not going to happen in 30 minutes. You've seen they had a lot of stuff, a lot of CDs, a lot of DVDs, and a lot of books. You've seen all those Star Trek books. I actually did grab a few. Mass paperbacks, you all overlook them. That's fine. I'll keep getting rich. You guys don't want to be rich. I can't make anybody be rich. Mass paperbacks, there's tons of money to be made in those. So I did pick up a few of those, but I'm going to show you what we got from the CD section. 30 minutes, 5,000 CDs to scan. So CDs were the last thing I touched. I went books, scanned the books I thought were worth it. DVDs, scanned the DVDs I thought were worth it. CDs, I didn't even have time to really look. I was trying to pick and choose, but I did scan all of the new CDs here. So let me get my screen recording. I got 4 new CDs I'm going to show you. First one you see is Owl City. There's this mobile orchestra. No new FBA. I get excited when I see no new FBA, and I got a new one. $29.99. Greedy little bugger, dude. You're a greedy little bugger. Too bad. I'll probably make like 20 bucks on this. I peeled this off already. All the CDs are $1.99 at Goodwill, so plenty of room for profits to be made. Brand new sealed Oxygen. No idea who this person is, but it's new sealed. See, it shows red, but hey, that's used FB, and we ain't worried about that. $11, so after our $1.99 buy cost, we're looking at $9. And the best part, the Goodwill stickers come off super easy off the new sealed stuff, so not a bad one there. Wait, I got 3 more. You're getting 5 new sealed CDs. They had lots of sealed CDs. Capital Kings 2. And remember, you can scan this barcode up here with your Bluetooth scanner, and it'll pull it into Scoutly as well. So Another one with a 9 sales score, $8, $6 after our buy cost of $2. Let's see if I can demonstrate how easily the Goodwill stickers come off new seal. Woo, look at that. No heat gunning today, fools. All right, 2 more. The Art of Celebration Rend Collective. No idea. Listen, the best thing about Amazon is you don't need to know squat. You just got to be willing to scan the stuff, right? Sooner or later, you're going to hit the good stuff. 44 sales score, so this is going to sell fairly quick. $6.49, you make $4.50. This thing will sell, you know, especially with the holiday season. Second, it gets checked in. The last one we had was the best one. The Civil War, the complete work, and just to prove that these barcodes do actually scan. 19 sales score. Look at these new FBA offers. Sheesh. I hit live so it would update. And now it's not going to update because the service sucks. Update. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi. Maybe that'll do better. No, I didn't want to scan the barcode. Let me just scan this. All right. So the new buy box is going to FBM right now because some bozos got it at $15.95. But we're going to price underneath this $56.99. I'm thinking like $39.99. We'll make like $30 after fees. $2 into $30. That's how we get rich, right? So on the topic of we really don't control our business, we really don't. And I think about this all the time. We, as thrifters, right, for the majority of resellers that rely on thrift stores, you don't control, you know, the thrift stores. You don't control their prices. You don't control what they're getting donated. At the end of the day, every time we walk in a thrift store, there's a chance we leave with nothing, right? And we all had those times where you go in and you leave with 0 items and you're like, this sucks. So that's kind of the point I wanted to hit on is it works. The thrift stores produce. So take advantage of this while you can. We all know prices go up. Our margins get squeezed. Go hard today because it might not be around forever. And I know it's crazy to think about. And everybody in the reselling community always thinks that reselling is going to last forever. And you're going to be able to sit in your hoarding garage and sell stuff on eBay and sell stuff on Amazon and make. I truly believe that it's only going to get harder to resell. So take advantage of these opportunities we have today. A lot of thrift stores have closed down. I've had quite a few around me close down over the past few years. And prices have gone up at every single one, even the mom and pop shops. So think about that, right? You as a thrift store seller have to rely on the thrift store. You know, it's just the reality of the business. So get out there, hustle today, make your money, get yourself in a situation where when the time comes and if you have to pivot, you can pivot. So that's going to do it for the video. Make sure you scan all the new DVDs and CDs. I know I say this all the time, but I mean, come on. Right there alone is like an extra $100 in my pocket. Like, and I didn't know nothing about none of these bands. I just see that it's new sealed because I'm in a time crunch. Scan everything if you don't have 10 minutes and there's 5,000 CDs. But if you're in a time crunch, boom, grab the new one, scan them real quick. You're just leaving so much money out there. Get ungated in CDs if you're not. Stop being lazy. That's going to do it for the video. I appreciate watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book videos. Bye-bye. Wait, used book videos. New CD videos. Bye-bye.